a good job. Make your soupy. Don't put that in there. That's not a spoon. Honey, that is not a spoon. Oh, okay. Let mommy see. See, this isn't a spoon, honey. It's not a spoon. Did you get wet? That's okay. Keep your shirt on. Keep your shirt on. You're going to go to the store with Daddy. Keep it on.
So do your daddy?
Yeah.
That's stubborn.
Don't climb on that. Oh, you're giving kisses? Now give her a kiss. Ah, that's nice.